Let me show you how to insert SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So the SIM card tray location is over here on this tablet. So you see we have this tiny hole, and inside the box, when we get our tablet, we also have this SIM card ejector tool. So it's hidden right over here. So you see this metal needle here. And what you have to do is you simply take this tiny tool as provided, and you simply have to insert in this tiny hole over here. So simply insert inside and then simply push inside. You'll see a tray actually pops out over here. So we can use 2 fingers essentially to wiggle it out. Also, you see in this tray we also have very nice waterproof seal as well. And to insert your SIM card, so we have to position like this. So see where you have this tiny triangle on the top. So on the SIM card tray also you have this tiny triangle over here. So we would simply insert our SIM card, okay, like this. So it's completely flush. And the second slot is for your micro SD memory card. So you can only insert one SIM card in this tablet. And then I'm simply going to take my tablet and simply slide it back like this, and simply wiggle it inside and make sure it's completely flush like that. And after you insert the SIM card, so you see on the top of a tablet, you will see that it has found the network already. Also, if you go in the settings, so in the connection settings, you see you can also like manage the SIM card and also the networks for it. By the way, these tablets actually come in 2 different versions, so they also come without the SIM card tray. So if you're wondering why you do not have the SIM card tray over here, that is because you haven't actually purchased the model that actually has a SIM card slot. So they're actually a bit more expensive than the ones without it. Anyway, good luck.